Hey guys, this is Strength Coach Freeman, and welcome back to another episode of Strength and Conditioning for eSport athletes. Today we're going to be doing some soft tissue work, which is step one of the four-step program or training session that you should be doing every time you do some sort of training or gaming. So remember, the first thing you want to do, soft tissue work. Second, movement prep, dynamic warm-ups. Third, either your gaming session or strength and conditioning for your hands or other parts of the body, or a combination of the two. And lastly, you want to do your static stretching for recovery. So remember, 4 steps. Today's video is focusing on step 1. We're going to do a little bit of soft tissue work, mobilizing the soft tissue to improve range of movement, get some blood flow into the areas, and minimize any trigger points that might prohibit you from using your hands to their full speed and dexterity. So today's device is a small roller, has 2 rotating pieces, and you can use this on different parts of the body. This one's very small, so it's better for parts like the hands and feet, or even areas like the face. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to use it on the hands. So let's zoom in, and I'll show you how this thing works. Okay, so here's a close-up of this wooden roller tool. As you can see, it's kind of a main stick with 2 rotating wooden bowls on the end. The way this works, you'll take a bit of your tissue, right, like your hand, put it right in between those 2 bowls, and gently roll. So it'll kind of pinch the tissue together a little bit as it gently kind of massages the tissue. So I usually start on the end of my hand, but then you can kind of work your way through other parts of the tissue as well. This roller, it works best on the thinner parts of the flesh, right? So like on the butt of your hand, on the end. It's hard to get it right on the palm, but other tools work the palm a little bit better. So that's why it's good to have different tools. You can use this to gently work the fingers. This tool is also great for parts of the face, as well as other parts of the body. You can work into the forearms and things. But it's pretty good for the hands and face. I like it the most for kind of this end right here, kind of to the outside. And again, being able to kind of work a little bit into the fingers. So a pretty simple tool. Again, just one more thing to have that can help you out with your soft tissue work. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and please tune in for future videos on strength and conditioning for eSport athletes.